Hey guys, it's me again. I thought I had already filmed a walkthrough of this mini album, and then I went to go link it to the tutorial for the mini album, and I didn't. So this mini album is 8.5 by 8.5 the pages. The cover's 9 by 9, and I used the OLO paper pack by the Paper Studio. So I just used the cut-aparts on the front and then some stickers. Everything in here is from the same paper collection. So this page style opens up like a gatefold, flips open, and then there's a pocket here. I decorated all of the tags. I put 4x6 photo mats, and then of course each page has a page pocket. I just cut out the pencils from one of the cut-aparts, and then I used some paper doilies that I had in my stash. So these pencils make it a little bit different to put in pages. You gotta make sure that they don't get stuck. So then the back of the page is just a regular 8.5 by 8.5. I didn't put any more pockets because I didn't want it to be too thick. I think these little bobby pins are so cute. There's this tag, I'll show you the paper, and then the tag on that one, makeup and sunglasses. And look at those little eyelashes, they're so flippin' cute. So then there's this side, shoes. I'm not a big shoe person. I am into cactuses, but not shoes. My sticker's stuck on this spot. There we go. My little lighty was stuck. Oh, I knocked her bow off. That's why it was stuck. Okay, so there's the page. I cut her out of the paper. It was like a big 12 by 12 sheet, like this side. So I just cut her out and stuck her on the top of these pages. I used some foam adhesive to make some of these pop up. Isn't she cute? Girl, watches, and then the other tag. I cut out the fortune cookie out of one of the cut-aparts and stuck it on the fortune cookie page. I only, because these had a lot of flaps in them, I only have, let me see how many pages. 1, 2, 3, 4. I only have 4 pages, and actually the binding that I used on this is by Laura Dennison. It's the Stack the Deck binding. So you can go to Following the Paper Trails YouTube page and find her Stack the Deck binding tutorial. And so that's the walkthrough of the album. As I said, the covers, oh, that's centimeters. The covers measure 9 by 9, and the spine is 2 inches. So I hope you guys enjoy it. I do have a Facebook page, Super Happy Scrapper. If you make something, I would love to see your finished products. Just post them to my Facebook page. Have a great day, guys. Bye.